Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about dictionary items. You already hear about this particular concept in previous video where I was get extracted specific key value or specific member or item from the dictionary. You already see. Let's see here. This is the concept for extracting dictionary items. So dictionary items are order changeable and does not allow copy or duplicate. You cannot duplicate the dictionary items or duplicates are not allowed. How? I will see you. So code. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. Suppose you have to declare one dictionary D1. Okay. So here I will take the copy that particular dictionary, and here I will use that dictionary, and here I declare duplicate key values. Okay, so when you're going to print it, so what is going to be written? Let's see. Okay, so here employee ID I am using, but it not shows me. It generally creates an error, but it not shows you error because multiple number of times you key is declared. Okay, so let's another print. Okay, it not shows me any error. Wait, I will see how it is not going to give any error. Okay, so because here duplicates not allowed, dictionary cannot have it at two items with the same key with two items. Here is one other, here is ID also, two items, but here only written D2 as a duplicate is removed. Okay, that's why it is not creating any error. Duplicate items is removed. Okay, not allowed. Okay, so it's not creating any exception. Okay, that is the biggest point, you remember it, but it will remove the duplicate key value of member item. So dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add and remove the items after the dictionary has been created. Dictionary has been created. Okay, if you want to add new member, if you want to remove that member, and okay, can to change that member, you can possible in dictionary case. Okay, so dictionary, the question comes out in everybody in mind that it is order or on order, but in point of view that there is a Python 3.7, the dictionaries are ordered. Okay, before 3.7 version the dictionaries are on order. Okay, so when we say dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items can be defined in order and the order will be not changed. Okay, the members which are present inside the item will not be changed, but on order means that the item does not have a defined order. You can refer to an item by using an index. Okay, on order means the items does not have a defined order. There is no defined order, so you cannot refer to an item by using an index. Okay, by using an index. Fine, you cannot change. Okay, remember, you cannot change the item by defining your index. If you first define the index, you cannot change it. Fine. Okay, understood how dictionary items and going to be work. Fine. If you access the dictionary item, you can access in this way. Employee ID and run it. Okay, it returns this. Okay, the first items are generally removed. Okay, the first item is removed. Employee ID is removed. One employee ID is given you, return you this employee ID. Fine, understand how dictionary items are going to be work. So if you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there. Please click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notification. Thank you.